500 important English sentences. She is working on a new project. She is working on a new project. I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. They went shopping yesterday. They went shopping yesterday. He's going to the gym. He's going to the gym. The cake is in the oven. The cake is in the oven. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. Thank you for like and subscribe us. She got a new haircut. She got a new haircut. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. He is cleaning the house. He is cleaning the house. They are waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. She's feeling much better. She's feeling much better. I need to take a break. I need to take a break. He's watching a football match. He's watching a football match. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. She's very excited about the trip. She's very excited about the trip. I need to call my mother. I need to call my mother. The flight was delayed. The flight was delayed. He is studying for his exams. He is studying for his exams. She is in a meeting right now. She is in a meeting right now. I need to pick up the kids. I need to pick up the kids. He forgot to lock the door. He forgot to lock the door. They are talking about the new project. They are talking about the new project. She's working late tonight. She's working late tonight. I need to pay the bills. I need to pay the bills. He's learning how to play the guitar. He's learning how to play the guitar. They are planning a surprise party. They are planning a surprise party. I haven't finished my homework yet. I haven't finished my homework yet. She's thinking about changing jobs. She's thinking about changing jobs. The car is in the garage. The car is in the garage. I need to catch the train. I need to catch the train. He is afraid of heights. He is afraid of heights. She's wearing a beautiful dress. She's wearing a beautiful dress. I'm worried about the exam. I'm worried about the exam. They are watching a movie together. They are watching a movie together. I'm going to meet my friend. I'm going to meet my friend. She's looking for her keys. She's looking for her keys. He is interested in photography. He is interested in photography. I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet. She is practicing her speech. She is practicing her speech. I'm having a great time. I'm having a great time. They are waiting for the results. They are waiting for the results. I need to write a report. I need to write a report. He is in a hurry. He is in a hurry. She is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. I'm not feeling well today. I'm not feeling well today. They are going to the beach. They are going to the beach.